Hello again, this is Miss Susan from the Fountaindale Public Library with a fun winter-themed Take It Make It craft, a little snowflake ornament. So let's get started. In your kit you would have received an instruction booklet, 8 paper straw pieces, 2 foam snowflakes, assorted sizes and colors, 1 piece of yarn, and 2 blue circles. All you will need is some white liquid glue. So the first thing we want to do is take one of your blue circles and put a whole bunch of glue on it. It's going to take a lot of glue. I just like to kind of put it on like that. And then you take all of your little straw pieces and you want to put them to first make a T shape or cross, an X. Then you want to put them this way. This is why you need a lot of glue. You can pull these 2 out and make a little more room. And put them in like that. And then this. They kind of move around a bit. The next step, we're going to drizzle a whole ton more of liquid glue. Now, like I said before, the best thing to use is the liquid glue. Now we're going to take your next dot and put it over it like that. Now this could get a little messy. Make sure you're working on a countertop that can be washed back down. Now my suggestion is to leave it like this for a couple of hours is the best thing before you do anything else. You might want to flip it over, make sure that the glue is getting around all of your little straws, straighten them out a bit, push down on them a little. So it's going to take a few hours to dry. So I'm going to set this one aside. I have one already dried. Okay, so this is basically what we just did, but mine's nice and dry. Okay, all nice and dry. So now the next step is to glue your stickers on, or not stickers, sorry, your foam pieces. You take them like this. Just like that. Put it in the center. I may have put a little too much glue on it, but like that. Isn't that pretty? It looks so pretty like that. Okay, and we're going to put a gold one on the other side. So I'm just going to do this because this gold one's pretty big. I think that's enough glue for that one. Yeah, just like that. That's pretty too. I like that look. Very nice. Just like that. The last step is putting the yarn on. Now, I would also suggest you let it dry for a bit before you put the yarn on. So you circle it like that. You want to tie it down here at the bottom on one of the little pieces of one of the pieces of straw, the little star points, and then all you have to do is take these 2 ends loop them together like that, and then pull it just like that. Just like that. And then I'm just going to trim this even, make it look nice. And there you have it, a snowflake ornament. And you can give this away as a gift, or you can hang it on your own tree, or hang it anywhere in your house. In the window, you could put it in a window, that would look nice. And if you're worried about the yarn coming off, you can put a little drop of glue right there, little drop of white glue down under here a little bit, and then let that dry, and it'll stay on. And that's the snowflake. Well, I hope you enjoyed making your snowflake ornament. For more fun Take It, Make It crafts, see our schedule, and we'll see you next time, Fountaindale Public Library. Bye!